Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute.
How to change email address on Facebook. First, you just got to open your Facebook application on your mobile phone, tap on menu, and click on the gear sign settings on your Facebook. And then you go to tap See More Account Center. You can see there your personal details. Personal details, just click on it and tap Contact Info. After that one, click on the Add New Contact on the bottom and then input the email address that you are going to put on your new email. And then, after you type the email, you will receive a confirmation code. You just input that one. And of course, it will want your password. So, give your password as well. And then go back to the contact info account center. And then click one of the email that you're going to remove.
Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.